Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the clip into Kapwing so you can work quickly. Upload your file or paste a link. Make sure you're signed in so you can export full quality. Once uploaded, select the timeline and use the split or trim handles to isolate the exact portion you want to reverse. This saves time and avoids reversing the whole file. Make sure to keep a copy of the original layer as a backup before you apply any irreversible edits. Now focus on the actual reverse operation. Select your clip in the editor and open the clip settings. Click the reverse option. Kapwing will invert frames so motion plays backward. Once reversed, play the timeline to check timing. You may need to tweak speed if motion looks odd. If audio should also be reversed, enable that option or mute and add a separate reversed audio track. Make sure transitions and cuts still land cleanly, because reversing can shift perceived beats and cues. Finish by exporting. Choose resolution, file type, and export. You'll see a progress bar. Once done, download the reversed video to your device. If something looks off, try this. If audio timing is wrong, mute the original and import the reversed audio, then nudge it frame by frame until it lines up. If you see visual artifacts or stutter, re-export at a higher bitrate or re-upload the source and repeat the reverse step. Often a fresh encode fixes those glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.